Hi friends, in this episode of Pilot Missionaries, we will be demonstrating the working of Pilot electric drum roaster. The equipment is used to roast and flavor coat various whole grains, pulses, nuts and chips. This roaster has got a handling capacity of 5 kg. The drum cladding and frame is of stainless steel construction. Glass wool insulation ensures the prevention of accidental burns. The machine is heated by means of heater coils with a combined power rating of 4 kW. The control panel houses the switches for heater coil, drum motor, temperature controller and a light indicator to signal the machine's on or off condition. Drum rotates at an RPM of 24. Temperature sensor placed inside the drum measures the material temperature. Lock and lever arrangement enables tilting of drum to facilitate easy material feeding and product discharge, along with fixing the appropriate angle of drum for roasting. The final output is easily transferred to a collection bin after roasting.